How you doing, my brother?
Doing good, thank you.
Thank you so much. And mahalo nui for our beautiful lei. We appreciate you. And you know, this is the kind of welcome you get when you walk into the doors at Thundering Seas. We just love the pieces. Absolutely exquisite. We know that you folks are known mostly here in Hilo for repairs. But let's talk story about some of the pieces that we're looking at right here. Is that okay?
Absolutely.
Because we kind of want to jump into what Thundering Seas is all about.
Oh, right here we have a koele that was gifted to me by an auntie who has a husband that had a medical condition that she could no longer give her attention to her crafts. She blessed me with that koele, and my boss blessed me by creating this into a pendant that we can sell here in our store and share our pieces with our visitors and families and friends.
Yeah, it's so cool. Because when we first started the plan to host this location, I said, sis, you go take them because it's all about jewelry. But not knowing that you have pieces for us manly men as well. You know,
manly men.
Absolutely. Hey, we got to keep it bougie too. Not only the ladies can have fun.
Yes.
But can we talk a little bit about what the ladies got? Because we love pearls.
Absolutely, absolutely. We have a good pearl variety of jewelry for our visitors, our families, our friends. When they come in, that's a piece that gets a lot of love by everybody, absolutely.
When we were talking to you earlier, I know you are a man of very strong faith, and you guys have some faith pieces as well.
Yes, yes. So we also have faith pieces that are custom made in store, and believe it or not, these are the pieces that we move very, very well. And it's something about its simplicity, but also I believe the prayer work that we actually put into it so that these pieces will bring the person who is gifted it, who wears it closer to God, is something that is very meaningful to us.
Absolutely. Now, when you walk in the doors of Thundering Seas, of course, there's gorgeous pieces that are already here. You can talk story with the team and you can select that perfect piece. But if we're looking for something custom, how do we go about getting that done?
Well, custom here, we have two jewelers who work on the bench, and both with 30 plus years of experience of doing jewelry. And so here I would bring them out and they would sit down with our customers and they would help build that jewelry piece so it meets what their expectations on that return will be.
I think that is cool because I thought it was like custom pieces. You guys just have them already designed, but you literally sit down with your clients and they can dream what they want, and then you guys can interpret it and put it into an actual piece.
Absolutely.
Wow.
Absolutely.
That's
and
awesome.
They might have pieces that they want to alter. They've had it for a while and, you know, something inspired them where they want to add a stone to they want to do some custom carving to it, and we can provide that service to them.
You know, Kiala, I noticed that when you talk story about these pieces, it's not just jewelry and it's not just bling. There's a story behind every piece. And that's the reason why repairs are super important for you folks, right?
Amen. In fact, I will hear majority of the time with our customers who come in for our services say, this belonged to my dad, this belonged to my mom, and I want to save it. This belonged to my child, and I want to save it. And when they start that pule with us at the counter, we continue that pule when it goes onto our bench until we return it to them.
And you know, since we're talking about family, sometimes we come upon hard times and we got to take care of families for medical reasons. And some people might need to, you know, get more cash to help pay for those bills. And you guys actually buy gold, right?
That's correct. We buy precious metals, gold being one of the scrap metals that we deal with a whole lot. And you know, for some people, they no longer find joy in some of the pieces that they were gifted or acquired through the years. And we give them a chance to pivot into another piece with a gold buy, or we can send them off with a check that they can take care of their needs at home.
So much meaning, so much intention, and so much aloha when you walk through the doors here at Thundering Seas. So we really highly encourage you, even if you are not from Hilo, even if you're coming in just for a special week with Mary Monarch and all that, come on into Manono Marketplace, come on into Thundering Seas so that you can really, really feel that aloha and maybe walk away with a piece that resonates joy with you, yeah?
Amen to that. Absolutely.
Awesome.
Absolutely.
You know, I would like to bless Lena Girl with like a ring with my face on it. Can we do that? Can we sit down? Customize it?
For sure. Absolutely. We can make that happen.
And that would be so awesome. And once I get it, can I sell it back to you for cash? See, they do it all here. Thundering Seas Jewelers, Manono Marketplace. Tell us your folks' hours of operation, please.
Yes, we're open Tuesday through Friday from 10 to 4 and on Saturdays from 10 to 2.
Perfect. All right, let's start making my DVD ring.
I'll work too.